Today in this video, we have covered Eversewn Sparrow 50 Embroidery Machine Overview. The Eversewn Sparrow 50 Embroidery Machine is an advanced, feature-rich machine designed for both novice and experienced embroiderers. It combines versatility, ease of use, and reliability, making it an excellent choice for tackling a wide range of embroidery projects. Features number 1, 200 built-in stitches. The Sparrow 50 comes with 200 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and stretch stitches, offering a variety of options to enhance your projects. Number 2, large embroidery area. It offers a spacious 6.4 by 4.3 inch embroidery area, providing ample room for large designs and detailed embroidery work. Number 3, automatic needle threader. The built-in automatic needle threader makes threading quick and easy, reducing the time spent on setup and allowing you to start stitching faster. Number 4, LCD touchscreen. The LCD touchscreen provides an intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate through settings, select designs, and preview your work before starting. Number 5, adjustable speed control. With adjustable speed control, the Sparrow 50 allows you to fine-tune your stitching speed, ensuring optimal results for delicate designs and high-volume projects alike. Pricing the Eversewn Sparrow 50 is priced between $600 and $800, making it an affordable yet high-performing option for home embroiderers looking for quality and functionality. Digitizings.com offers the best custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services online. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or credit debit card. If you need our services at discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit website digitizings.com.